Hi, my lovely Leos, welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Leos, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of March 2023. Please note that it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, please do give the video a thumbs up. It definitely motivates me and it helps my channel, okay? And if at all you want to share your experiences, feel free to drop comments, okay? And last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So guys, while pre-shuffling for you guys, first pair of card that fell was Ace of Cups and a World card, okay? I feel that some of you guys might be getting into a new relationship, new love coming your way for some of you guys, I mean, and this could be a long distance relationship, okay? You guys might be staying at different geographical locations, like a considerable distance is what I'm saying, okay? Like you have to actually travel considerably to see each other or to be with each other is what I'm saying, okay? Yeah, that was first message. Secondly, I saw nine of swords a lot of times. Someone is really sleepless over something, okay? There is some issue that is bothering you a lot, okay? And you guys are also very tired and exhausted, okay? Even now my eyes are almost shutting off, guys. Like it's just 7 p.m. Right now, and I'm feeling super tired and very sleepy and drowsy, okay? I feel Leos, you guys really need to rest it out, okay? Rest well is what I'm getting, guys. I feel that some of you guys are not sleeping well, okay? Some of you guys are going to get good opportunity in terms of career, okay? Maybe a new assignment, maybe a new role, okay? Job role, promotion in the existing job, okay? Something of that sorts, but which will bring you a lot of money, okay? And it will also take you one level up the scale, okay? That's what I was getting, okay? Some of you guys are feeling utterly stuck in some situation, okay? I saw 8 of swords, I saw 9 of swords, and I saw Wheel of Fortune. Wheel of Fortune typically usually talks about, changes in life, okay? The wheel of life moving or rolling, but in your case it's giving me the energy of someone being stuck or going round and round in circles, okay? That was what was coming through strongly. I also feel that some of you guys are probably, I don't know whom I had pulled this message. I saw Hierophant and which was that card? Hierophant and Hermit card, Virgo energy. I saw these cards together, Taurus and Virgo energy. Some of you guys might be going to a spiritual retreat, okay? Because there was Hanged Man also, okay? Some of you guys might be planning to go for a spiritual retreat or going for a spiritual retreat or have gone in the recent past. I don't know, but yes, definitely something to do with some core foundations, okay? Some strong value or belief system, okay? Some of you guys might have even turned into meditation and all, or you guys might have become very religious. You might be indulging into a lot of religious activities, rituals, pujas, okay? That kind of stuff, okay? But I the energy that I was getting was someone is taking the spiritual break, okay? Going for 10 days course of meditation, vipassana, okay? That kind of stuff. I had pulled similar message for another sign. I am just not able to recall, or was it you, Leos, in the last month? I am not able to recall it, okay? But precisely same energy, okay? Yeah, so those were some of the messages that were coming through very strongly, guys. And I don't know, I'm if at all I recall any other, I'll let you know as in how we go through the reading, okay? Because so many messages keep coming and it's difficult to recall all of them, okay? Yeah, there you go. Eight of Swords and Ace of Swords. Wow, very interesting. Two S's in your reading, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. There you go. The strength card was coming in your this thing also. I also get one message that I when I'm seeing these two cards, I recalled they had come up together while pre-shuffling. Some of you guys probably need to work on his or her ego, okay, that is also what I'm getting, guys. Someone probably is very high on ego and you really need to work on that. Probably you are getting that self realization, or you are getting aware of your own personality trait and you are working on it or trying to work on it, is what I'm getting, okay. There you go, working on yourself, on the foundation. Ace of Pentacles, new job opportunity, the Fool. There are so many major arcanas, guys. What is happening with you? Just what is happening with you, guys? So many major arcanas. I'm not taking these cards. There is Temperance over here, which again is a major arcana that talks about patience, okay. Sagittarian energy, Leo energy, strong, I can see all energies over here. Strong fire sign over here, strong earth, strong air element over here. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, Taurus, no, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. These placements, if you have these placements in your birth chart, please do check out those readings. Yeah, like I said earlier, some of you guys were kind of stuck in your situation and probably you could have even missed some opportunity, okay. You were focused probably elsewhere, or you probably created your own blockages, Leos, is what I'm seeing over here, okay. You kept yourself stuck in some situation, or you focused your energy in your situation, and I feel that you might have missed out seeing an opportunity that was lying right under your nose, guys. That is what I'm seeing, a case of missed opportunity for sure in the recent past, okay. For some of you guys, there could be you guys might have gotten an opportunity, or you guys might have gotten some new ideas, new creative ideas that you might have brought to the table if you are working, okay. And you might have even you might be even working in terms of upgrading your skills, acquiring new skills. You might be actually researching and finding more about that. This page is directly looking at this Ace of Swords, okay. Page is all about being inquisitive, okay, being curious. It talks about someone who is very inquisitive, is what I'm seeing, okay, who is very curious to learn, find out new things, research, do his or her due diligence. I feel that you are the one who have done that for some new ideas that you had in your mind, okay. There is something that you want to try your hands at and you're working very hard towards it. You're taking it really very seriously, is what I'm getting, some of you guys, okay. I'm coming up to your current energies. I feel that, no, I won't say I feel that, I'm very sure, guys, there is a new love coming your way, okay. Now this love could be between two people who has age gap between them, either that, or you could be of similar age. That could also be the case, because I don't see any elderly energy over here. I see this page for sure. One of you is definitely very young. Maybe you could be in your late 20s, mid 20s, that's that sort of energy. Okay, for some of you guys, this person, whoever this person is, they are absolutely smitten by you. They know, they want to know everything about you. Okay, your likes, your dislikes, what you like to eat, okay, your favorite color, blah blah blah. Okay, they are very very curious about you. Okay, they want to know absolutely everything about you guys. They could also be probably stalking you. Okay, looking at your pictures, looking at your social media, following you everywhere on the social media like Facebook, Insta, whatever form that is available. Okay, but yes, definitely a new love or a new relationship is what I'm seeing in the horizon for some of you guys, in your current energy, that too. Okay, wow. Let's move ahead. Like I said guys, this wheel, this wheel is somehow, this wheel is giving me energy of feeling stuck or someone being stuck, and you are really going to need lot of courage, or you'll have to get up and take some concrete actions and show some courage to break yourself free from this Eight of Swords energy. Okay, that's what I'm getting guys. You hold the key, or you hold the power for freeing yourself up from this stuck situation, whatever it is, and making your wheel of life roll to its new chapter. Okay, that's what I'm seeing guys, very very strongly. Maybe there could be few challenges, maybe your what do I say, you're sitting in anticipation, a little nervous about certain things, certain situations, or about the possible outcome, but that is what you'll have to do gradually, or you'll do gradually. You'll take that leap of faith, you'll take that plunge. Finally you'll decide that okay, let me go and do this, and let me see the consequences. Okay, I'm ready to face the consequences, but at least I'll not be stuck. Okay, that's the kind of energy I'm getting guys. You are definitely going to take that risk, you're definitely going to take that plunge, is what I'm seeing guys. Ace of Pentacles is there. Some of you guys are definitely going to have a new job for sure. Earlier I had not seen ace, I don't remember seeing ace earlier, or was it there, I don't remember. But yes, definitely a new job for some of you guys. Some of you guys might also be like I said, some of you guys might also be shifting roles, is what I'm getting. New promotion maybe. Okay, is what I'm seeing guys. You guys are definitely working hard on yourself, or you have actually worked hard to be here. Okay, this new job, this new success, this promotion, this has not come easily to you guys. Okay, you have actually worked you have worked very hard. Okay, you have burnt midnight oil, and you have made certain sacrifices, is what I'm seeing guys, and after which you have got this job, and that's why the success tastes even sweeter for you guys. Okay, there was one more thing I was getting. Hierophant card, this card talks about marriage. Okay, some of you guys definitely are going to start a new chapter of their life. This wheel could turn for you guys and turn into a commitment, or a marriage, or a committed relationship for some of you guys. Taurus energy coming through very very strongly. But one thing that is coming through very strongly to me is from your energy right from pre-shuffling, is some of you guys are definitely working on himself or herself. Okay, their values, their principles, their physical well-being. Okay, you probably guys are staying away from negativity. You guys are meditating or getting into some ritual activities, going to temples, churches regularly, praying regularly, and taking overall care or good care of your mental and physical well-being, is what I'm getting guys. Okay, you are definitely working hard on yourself, your set goals, is what I'm getting guys. Wow, very beautiful energy, and very motivating energy I'm getting through this spread guys. Leo's strong Leo energy strength card has your own energy has shown up in this reading guys. Yeah, at the bottom of the deck is also your own energy. Confidence is your key to success. Anyway, I'm shuffling the deck. Let's see some additional messages from this beautiful deck, guys. A win-win outcome is forecast, and look at the bigger picture is what the angels are saying. Full moon in Sagittarius and full moon in Libra, both full moon cards. So guys, if at all there is some situation wherein you are working with different people, there are many people involved in certain situation, then know that whatever is going to be the outcome, it's going to be beneficial or in favor of both the parties. Okay, even if it's a legal case, then it will be in favor, or the result will be favorable to both the parties. Okay, Justice card talks about things being fair. So it's a Libra energy. It's an energy of balancing things out. Okay, look at the bigger picture is also what the angels are telling you, guys. Do not get carried away by small obstacles. Do not remain stuck in some situation. Always keep looking forward and march forward with confidence. You are Leos, right? You don't need to be told about confidence. So yes, keep your eye on your goals and keep moving forward, and keep your vision on the end goal. Okay, at the bigger picture is what the angels are saying. It's a very self-explanatory card, actually. I don't need to talk much about it. Let's pull some additional message. Okay, something fell right away. Reconsider and ask help from others. Okay, so guys, if you are kind of making some unrealistic wish, okay, or something which even you are doubtful about, okay, or dicey about, the angels want you to reconsider. Also, this Fool energy is bringing my or taking my attention when I'm seeing this card. If you are trying to take some very super high risk, the angels definitely would want you to reconsider that. Do not take any brash action that you'll regret later. Okay, do not act foolish, do not act out of impulse. Okay, if you are taking some risk, make sure it's a calculated risk. Okay, one which you can handle. Okay, so if not, definitely you should reconsider your thoughts or whatever you are planning to do, and ask help from others if required. Okay, do not shy away from reaching out to people. Do not shy away from asking help from people who have the who have whatever it takes to help you, guys. Okay, so do not sit and reinvent the wheel if that's applicable to you. Okay, so yeah, reach out and take help. And at the bottom of the deck is, guys, meditation brings answers. I have been seeing Hermit card a lot of times while pre-shuffling. It has not shown up in your main spread, but Hermit and Hierophant was coming closely, and that's why I told you, right, while pre-shuffling, while talking about pre-shuffling energies, that some of you guys might actually be indulging into spiritual activities or some ritual activities. Okay, prayers and all, meditation. If you're not already doing that, start doing that. Okay, especially if you're feeling blocked, if you're feeling stagnant, if you're feeling stuck, meditation will definitely open up your energy, guys. It will open up your aura and vibrations, and it will allow fresh energies to come into your life. Okay, meditation definitely brings answers to almost all questions, guys. Even if you don't believe it, start doing it for yourself to see the results. Okay, so I'll leave it at that, Leos. I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.